Hi guys, let's talk about UK process step by step. University selection. Our counselors are here to guide you through the university selection process by evaluating the suitability of the chosen course for your academic and career goals. Document submission for the application process. As per the document checklist, unconditional or conditional offer letter, it takes around 6 to 8 weeks for the unconditional offer letter to be released if all the required documents have been submitted timely. If any of the required document is missing, you will get a conditional offer letter in the same time. Must meet the conditions to get the unconditional letter. One must meet all the required conditions, for example, IELTS or any other language proficiency letter, a missing educational document, etc., or whatever else is required by the university. Initial fee deposit. After meeting all the conditions, one must fulfill the final requirement to get the process going, which is the initial fee payment. The deposit amount may vary from university to university, usually from 25% annual fee to 60% annual fee. CAS letter after submission of the initial fee deposit. Student now needs to provide the bank statement to get the CAS letter. Bank statement. It should be maintained for 28 days and must cover up the remaining tuition fee amount and living cost for 9 months. Living expense of Inner London, £12,006 for 9 months. Living expense of Outer London, £9,207 for 9 months. Pre-ICAS interview. Some of the universities might conduct a pre-CAS interview. We will help you prepare for that. Visa application. The visa fee is £490. Year health surcharge £776 year. This will be calculated as per the dates mentioned in the CAS letter. Medical fee 12,000 rupees. Visa decision. The visa decision is made in approximately 4 to 6 weeks, and on priority basis, it will take approx 1 to 2 weeks for visa decision. Important, EdFolio registration and service charges, 50,000 rupees. Intakes. Major intakes are January and September. Minor intakes are April, May, and June. IELTS, PTE, Language Cert, and Oxford Test are accepted for foundation year and direct bachelor's IELTS 6, overall and 5.5 in each module. UKVI IELTS preferred for masters, 6.5 overall and 6 in each module.